Hello and welcome back to Rev Lexus, the Lexus channel for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the mirror on a Mk3 Lexus IS. So that's going to be from like 2013/14 right through to 2020 if you're here in the UK. I found a couple of videos on the IS, predominantly the second generation, and I've watched a few on the NX and RX, and I couldn't find one in the third generation IS. I thought I'd make this video just so if anybody's ever needing to replace the glass on the mirror, you've got this video. Now, to replace the glass on it, what you need to do is get your screwdriver in behind the mirror, and there's little kind of grooves for the mirror for a flathead screwdriver to go in. You want to put the screwdriver up and twist, and then do that again, and for each side, bottom left, bottom right, that loosens it, and then what you're able to do is set the flathead in a little bit more to the top while it's still in, and just twist, and it just pops out nice and gently in your hand. Just being super careful not to crack the glass. Now, putting it back in was a little bit more fiddly for me because I was just really nervous about the glass cracking with the placement, because it is kind of these like snap fit clips. You really require a little bit of pressure to push onto them. However, I think I got there, and I'm quite happy with the end result. I managed to do it within, it took me about 20 minutes, so hopefully this video now will take you guys maybe a couple of minutes. But what you want to do is push this glass kind of in and up so you've got enough room at the side there. Get your fingers in, and you can pull and slide a screwdriver up. See this little line here? And that, when it's connected there, will pull that up, and you turn and twist as I showed you in the previous clip. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Lexus IS mirror. As always, give me a like, subscribe to below, comment below if you found this video useful, and I'll see you next video. Ciao.